Hi guys, welcome to Sit on My Bits, the channel that will teach you about trading strategies, crypto, and other money-making investments. But I just wanted to do a video about IQ option. I get a lot of people asking me about IQ option, how to trade, how different strategies, things like that. But due to the new EU legislation, I can't trade binary anymore on IQ. Now and again, I might play around with a bit of crypto or forex, but I don't use it as much as I used to. But for all the people that are asking me, because I know that in some countries you can still trade binary, what I thought I would do is upload some of my previous videos just to show you the strategies that I use, just in case it helps anyone. Maybe, I don't know, but I've just, as I get a lot of people asking me, I pass on my how I traded with IQ, my strategy, and see if it can help any others. So I'm going to play this short little video here, which is one of my previous videos, just to give you an idea on how I use IQ, how I trade, and if it helps anyone, then hopefully it will.
You know, the last video I posted, I had about 15 grand in here. I withdraw 13 of that. I carried on trading with the 2 grand. I've now got it up to 8 grand. I'm just going to do some more trades here. Let me look at that. That looks good. I'm going to do a 4 grand trade there on that because it's at that high point. Now, I'm being a bit irrational there because if you look at this over the 30-day, you can see it's got a gradual pattern. Now, this is my strategy. Gradual pattern, overall pattern. Although there's little spikes up, little spikes down, the overall pattern is on a downward slope. So as you can see, it's shot up, it's made that spike, and now it's on its way back down. And now that's only because of, you can see the overall pattern. Look at here, it's come up from here, but then it's leveled out, spiked up, on its way down, spiked up, leveled out, spiked up, leveled out, and you can just see the pattern changing. And down here, it's taken the dip, and then it's shot back up. Beauty! Look at that. Beautiful. That's what we want. That's what we want. Now let's literally, because I saw that shoot up. I'm all getting my words muddled now. Saw that shoot up, and then you know, as you can see, the overall direction of that is going down. Now I've seen that shoot up. I know it's on its way down, so I've placed a put trade. Lovely jubbly. Let's have a look. See, that's the problem. There's a bit of latency. It's shot up. I've clicked it, but it's caught it on the as it shot back down, which can happen. You can happen. So you have to be very careful with that. You know, if I'd have got it there, I've seen it go up, but my finger was just that bit too late. Look at that, you beauty! So, yeah. Oh, look at that, look at that. Quick, quick, quick. Another one in there. White's up high. Now, you have always got that risk that it's going to change and go the other way, but just going by the overall direction, you can see it's on a downward slope. It's hit that dip there, it's coming back up, and then it's going to go back down. So you can see, as it's happened before. Oh, look, I missed that one. Now, the beauty of IQ options is I started with $10. Oh, no beauty! Look at that, almost 20 grand. You know how many alright, no, I had 8 grand in there, so 10 grand almost in just a couple of minutes. So, Yeah, very pleased with that. I know I'm doing big trades, but just to show you it can be done. And this is I started with only $10, so it can be done. Anyway, if you want to check it out for yourself, click the link below. Have a go at the free demo. Get comfortable with it like I did before you put your real money in. And yeah, it's great. I love it. It really is. It really is good.
Okay, so there you have it. Just a quick little video showing you how I trade with IQ options and how I trade with most trading platforms. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the videos, and I'll put some links below for the latest trading platforms that I use. A link for IQ and any other platforms that are making me money, I'll put below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be back with you soon with more updates and reviews. Thank you.